I'm very hungry. I should eat the food. Okay, what should I eat? There is no fruits. And there is no vegetables. Now what should I eat? Okay, I buy from the market. Yes. Oh, here it is. Okay. I buy some things. Okay. Wow. No. Yes. But we take it. This also. I'm not like this. But when I eat, this is very tasty. Okay, you must eat. What should I bring? Oh, yes, I bring the orange. Yes, I bring 2 oranges. Okay. Burger. Now the burger is there. Then we take out sauce also. Okay, what we eat now? Okay, apple juice. Okay, milk. Okay, let's pack this much only. Okay, I'm packing. Burger. Apple juice. Okay, preserve this. Okay, thanks. Okay, give me the money. Money? Okay, how much money should I pay? You pay 100. 100? Yeah. Okay, please. Okay, enter your pin. Pin. Yes, I have. Okay, bye. Happy journey. Thanks. Okay, finally my kitchen is here. Okay, I buy this. Okay, now this I put in this and kept it here. And this I put in this and I put it in this and I put it in this. Okay, I keep it here and this in the fridge. Okay, and sauce also in the fridge and burger also in the fridge and fridge close. And this milk bottle we keep it here. And now it is peeling time. Okay, knife. Okay, now this. Okay, now this. Okay, this material. So we are putting this material into this. Okay, in this. Okay, now we put it some water into it, and now this. Now we put it this in 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is there. Oh, wow. It's really nice. Wow. Okay. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye guys.